This is a vinyl ester structural putty. Now, if you've been following the channel, you know that vinyl ester resin is the best, in my opinion, for all-around applications. Very good at waterproofing, very aggressive when bonding, and it's much easier to work than epoxy is. And I want to show you about what 1 ounce would look like. And I would say about like a golf ball is a pretty good rule of thumb. So what we're going to do, I'm going to mix up some of this stuff. So let's go with maybe another golf ball size, and we're going to use this together with some Coosa tongue and groove, and we're going to apply that down the groove there. And you always want to wear some eye protection and some gloves. That's about right. And that should be about right. You want to cut this in very thoroughly. It's got a super nice consistency. Generally about a minute or so of mixing is going to be about right. What's cool about vinyl ester is, say, the applications for this would be below the water line or like structural bonding. You know, a lot of times we like to use the Ziploc bag piping trick and just cut the tip off that thing, and then you can take it, and this would be some of the Coosa board that we use like when we were building our 29 footer in the background. Fantastic for floor stringers, that kind of stuff, and super easy to make a precision application. And then these two would go together. So you can see how nicely that works. Now, obviously you would take like your little blade and you could tool that a little bit. There you go. Perfect for stringers, blister repair below the water line, smaller structural repairs where you don't want to have to deal with a bunch of fiberglass, but you got something that is deeper than just gel coat. Amazing stuff to keep on your boat or around the house. I'm sure there's going to be like 101 uses for that. Now, Fiberglass Warehouse also has a very, very decent discount code for Fish Bump TV viewers. Save you some money there, as well as gel coats, resins, clear additives, all the thickeners and putties that you're going to need to build or repair your boat.